Okay, so today is now Tuesday, and since last Monday, I have lost a combined total of 11.6 pounds. Got on the scale this morning. I weighed 218.4 pounds, which is a loss of 1.2 pounds from yesterday, and like I said, 11.6 pounds since I started this on Monday. This is day number 9 of my 90-day Whole30 challenge. It's Tuesday, March 27th, 2018. And things are going well. I've started to get comments from people at work and such that I'm starting to look thinner, which is nice. My wife says my face looks thinner, which I guess is a good thing. So things are going well. Just a real quick rundown of the day. I'm still doing the intermittent fasting, so I fasted through breakfast. For lunch, I had some broth with some vegetables, some spinach, some tomatoes, and or not tomatoes, sorry, spinach and mushrooms, and I had some sweet potatoes on the side that I had fried up this morning, and with some spices. And I had some guacamole on the side of that because I've been eating that like crazy. Then for dinner, just had some of the leftover country fried steak from last night, just a small piece, and I had some Brussels sprouts, and that's all I've eaten today. Oh, and there was a hard-boiled egg in there at lunch too. So, not a whole lot that I've been eating. My stomach has really shrunk. I haven't really been hungry, which is awesome, because I think that's just going to facilitate my weight loss. Now, like I said yesterday, if this is something that you're considering doing, just do it. Just jump on it. Just join me in this journey. Come on, let's go. Let's do this thing. It's totally worth it. I feel great. I have a lot of energy. I'm losing weight. I actually, my shirts are starting to fit again. So definitely, if this is something, if you're on the fence about this, just do it. Just do it. Jump on the bandwagon. So anyway, that's really all I have for today. Just thought I'd give a quick update, and I will catch you guys tomorrow.